All right, welcome back everybody. Today we are doing a kitchen deep clean video. Now I got some pretty satisfying footage from this. It's been a while since I cleaned my fridge or my oven. So if you need some motivation to get your kitchen tidied up and give it a good deep clean, this is probably the video for you to watch. So this video is going to be a little less talking than usual. This is quite a long video, but it is quite satisfying to watch, at least in my opinion. I think it is, but it is about 6 a.m. the day that this goes live, and I have just been so crazy busy that this is the only moment I had to finish editing and to do the voiceover. So I am trying to get it done. My daughter is awake, so if you hear her in the background, I apologize, but I am trying to get this up for you guys. So as you can see, there was a couple really stubborn spots in my oven that I just could not get out. So for the most part, I got it clean, but there was a few that I just kind of gave up on after a little while. And here is what the color of the water looked like when I was all done. It's pretty gross. I don't think I have cleaned under or like around the oven probably in about a year. I did it really good when we first moved in, and I think maybe one other time, but this is kind of what's accumulated under there over the past year. So every time I've cleaned behind my oven, there has been this like mystery, it's like a greenish blue, I don't know, mess on the wall here that I could never get off. And for some reason today, it finally came off. I'm still not really sure what it was though. I am also going to mention, you're gonna see me using, it's an old Method bottle. For cleaning. I did pick up some Fabuloso that I've been trying out. I've never used it before. I know it's not a green natural product, but I've heard it is really good for picking up dirt and grime. So that is why I'm using it in this video. If you've tried it and you really like it, let me know. I've only been using it for about a week now, and so far I really like it. I don't think I have ever cleaned out these drawers since I put these dividers in. And this drawer specifically is right underneath where we keep the toaster. So it was actually pretty disgusting what was in these dividers here. So these ones I got from IKEA. They don't fit in my drawer perfectly, but they work for what I need them for. So I just put some empty lids along the front side to keep them from moving around too much in there. So this second drawer here is usually where I keep my dishcloths and my cleaning cloths. I sort them out in that little metal rack, but I haven't put any of our clean laundry away, so the drawer is pretty empty at the moment. feel like this is a common drawer that is a nightmare for everybody. My daughter constantly goes in here to get bowls and containers for her snacks, but honestly, I always just end up throwing everything in there after a while. So this video I filmed over a week ago now, this portion of it anyway, and I have to say the drawer is still organized. I'm not sure how long that's gonna last, but for right now, I am pretty happy about it. I am super disappointed. I thought I got the most satisfying video of me cleaning this dirt and grime up, but unfortunately I didn't hit the record button, and you can't obviously put dirt and grime back, so it got wiped away before I could film it. So I don't have a clip of that, but it is nice and clean under there now. I also have this cleaning caddy. I do some cleaning for my sister, kind of as a side job. So that is why that is in there. I usually keep it in my stairwell, which is not the greatest place. So I wanted to have a spot with my other cleaning products. So I did end up deleting the clip of me cleaning kind of the pod holder and the coffee pot, just because the blue light was flashing over and over and over again, and that's all I could focus on when I watched it. So I just took that part out of there, but I did clean it. I am going to make a note before I get too far into this portion of the video that I did film these a couple days apart. I think it was about a week or so, and I did get a haircut in the meantime. I had gone and got a haircut a few weeks before this, and I ended up not liking it. It just wasn't my style. She did a great job. There was nothing wrong with the cut, but it just wasn't for me. So I actually went back in, and she gave me a new haircut, and I chopped all my hair off. I did this probably about 8 years ago, so I wasn't too nervous about it, but I am absolutely in love with the new haircut. So I have had a pretty crazy couple weeks. My daughter's birthday is coming up in a couple days here, and then I've just had some family things come up, so I've been running around like crazy, it seems like. So I did realize, now that I'm editing this video, that I didn't get to cleaning my freezer. It is in need of clean as well, for sure. So maybe I'll add that into another video, but for today, I don't have any footage on that one. So you are going to notice here putting everything back in the fridge. I did go through and get rid of any old food, anything going bad. So there is a lot less food in here since I took everything out. The other thing I did want to mention is that if you don't have a Lazy Susan in your fridge, you should really think about getting one. This is the best thing I have ever put in my fridge. It saves so much space. I can just spin the Lazy Susan around and I can see all my different spreads or whatever I have on there. And that way nothing's getting stuck in the back of my fridge and forgotten about, because it's still very easy to access. This container here, we were getting the HelloFresh, and I think we tried the Chef's Plate box services for a little bit. Unfortunately, my daughter would not eat any of the food that came in them, but there was a couple meals that we didn't get to cooking, so I did keep the sauces and spices, thinking that we might use them for another meal, but we never did. So I ended up just tossing most of them. There's quite a few of them that were expired, and some spices that honestly I just don't think we are going to end up using. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration to either tackle your fridge or your stove. I know I wasn't really looking forward to cleaning these spaces, but once I got them done, it felt so nice. Make sure you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, leave a comment down below on your favorite part or what you found the most satisfying to watch. I love making this kind of content for you guys. It is just so nice and refreshing to have something clean and actually on video, because it doesn't last very long in my house. Make sure you guys subscribe down below so you don't miss any videos coming up, and I will see you guys next week.